So you want to introduce the game of Dreidel to your family, but you don't know how to play. Well, here's how. You're gonna need a Dreidel, some gelt, and if you don't have any gelt, which is basically chocolate coins, you can use pennies. Your goal is to get all the gelt. By the way, this is a Dreidel. It spins like a top and it has 4 sides. Each side has a different Hebrew letter which represents instructions for you as you play. I'm gonna get to that later. First, you gather around, distribute an equal amount of gelt to each player. After everybody has an equal amount of gelt, everybody takes 1 piece of gelt and puts it in the middle of the table. The middle of the table can also be called the pot. Next, you want to start taking turns spinning the Dreidel. Like I said before, each side or letter represents something that you need to do. If it lands on a nun, that means you get nothing. Nun, nothing. If it lands on a gimel, that means you take it all. Give me it all. If it lands on a shin, you put 1 piece in. And if you land on a hay, you take half the pot. Now, if the pot ever becomes empty, every player will then put a piece of gelt into the pot. And if a player runs out of gelt, you are out, but feel free to root for your favorite player. You keep playing the game until someone in the group has acquired all of the gelt, and then the game is over.